Welcome to 30 Car Official. If you are a true car enthusiast, you must have heard the name Maruti Suzuki 800. This car is not just a vehicle, it is an emotion, a legend, and a revolution in the automotive industry. Stay with us as we take you through the journey of this iconic car, its history, specifications, features, and why it still holds a special place in the hearts of car lovers. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 30 Car Official for more amazing car content. Maruti Suzuki 800 was first introduced in India in 1983, and it completely changed the concept of personal transportation. Before its arrival, cars were considered a luxury, but Maruti 800 made it affordable for middle-class families. It was compact, efficient, and easy to maintain, which made it an instant hit in the Indian market. Over the years, it evolved with better features, but its core identity remained the same: an economical, reliable, and practical city car. Now, let's talk about its design. Maruti 800 had a simple yet functional design with a boxy shape that maximized interior space. Its small dimensions made it perfect for narrow streets and congested traffic, making city driving effortless. The front featured rectangular headlights with a minimalistic grille, giving it a clean and classic look. The later models received minor cosmetic updates, but the overall design philosophy remained unchanged. Moving to the interior, Maruti 800 was basic yet comfortable. It had a simple dashboard layout with essential features like an analog speedometer, air vents, and a basic music system. In later models, the seats were designed for practicality rather than luxury, but they offered decent comfort for city commutes. The cabin was well ventilated, and the large windows provided good visibility, making it an easy car to drive for beginners. Under the hood, Maruti 800 was powered by a 796cc, three-cylinder petrol engine that produced around 37 horsepower and 59 newton-meters of torque. This might not sound like much by today's standards, but given its lightweight body, it delivered an impressive performance. The car had a 4-speed manual transmission that was smooth and easy to operate. It was also known for its excellent fuel efficiency, offering around 18 to 22 kilometers per liter, making it a budget-friendly option for daily commuting. One of the biggest reasons for the success of Maruti 800 was its affordability and low maintenance costs. Spare parts were easily available, and servicing was simple and inexpensive. Mechanics across the country were familiar with its mechanics, making repairs hassle-free. This car was built to last, and even today, many well-maintained Maruti 800s are still running on the roads, proving its durability and reliability. Maruti 800 also played a significant role in the Indian automobile industry. It was the first car for millions of families and became a symbol of progress and independence. It remained in production for almost 3 decades before being discontinued in 2014. Even after its discontinuation, its legacy lives on, and it continues to be a collector's favorite. So, what made Maruti 800 so special? It was its simplicity, affordability, reliability, and the memories attached to it. Whether it was long family road trips, learning to drive for the first time, or just the pride of owning a car, Maruti 800 was a part of countless stories. If you enjoy this video and want to see more amazing car content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to 30 Car Official. Stay tuned for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video. Safe driving.